What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today is Thursday, April 13th, and today's video is a very important video because I have two altcoins that I'm going to share with you that can possibly do very well this year in 2023. We are seeing that Bitcoin is reaching around 30,000 US dollars. Now, when Bitcoin tends to rally, altcoins follow in the rally as well, but altcoins tend to rally much harder, meaning you have bigger returns because, again, their market caps are much lower. So these two altcoins are absolutely a great steal in my opinion, and it could be life-changing in my perspective. So with that said, none of this is financial advice. This is just my own opinion, just for your own entertainment. So please do your own due diligence before investing in any of these speculative investments, especially cryptocurrency. Now you must be wondering, what are those two altcoins? Well, guys and girls, you need to like up that button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So let's get right into it. What is the first altcoin? Well, it's going to be BONK. Now you must be wondering, Vincent, why are you talking about BONK? It's a meme coin. It's a meme coin on Solana. Well, I gotta share with you something about this meme coin. I think you guys are very much familiar with Dogecoin. I think you're very much familiar with Shiba Inu coin. Why am I talking about BONK? Well, BONK right now is at a huge discount, literally at this market cap right here, when it used to reach an all-time market cap over here as well, around 178 million in terms of trading volume in that 24 hours. Now it's like less than around 7 million. But why am I bringing this up? Well, if you look at this chart over here, if we look at Dogecoin, say for instance, if we look at the all-time high charts, you can see that we were maybe around this point in time when we started hearing that Elon Musk was bullish on Doge, but also we were seeing that people were really bullish on cryptocurrency, and then we experienced all-time highs from literally 0.002 cents to the dollar all the way up to as high as almost 70 cents. But right now we're in a bear rally. Now, why am I bringing this up? Because also we got to look at Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu was another altcoin that people were like, it's never going to moon. This is just another meme coin, and it's going to go down to crap. Well, people who speculated bought around this area, and they bought in around 0.0, like tons of zeros to sixes, right? And it was trading around 207 million, and then it reached this high, eliminating so many zeros as high as up to 0.00007 cents. So you can see that there's maximum returns if you buy in really early. Now you must be wondering, what about BONK? Now BONK's the same thing. Now, BONK is actually, it experienced its rally not in a bull market, it actually experienced its rally in a bear market. So what I could expect that this could be the next new meme coin to pump massively. Again, meme coins are very dangerous, very speculative. But again, I think that BONK, since it's the meme coin of Solana, I think it's a really great steal in my opinion. And maybe putting $100, maybe even $500, maybe even $1,000, depending on your financial situation, could earn you massive returns because, again, the market cap is super low, guys. It's 46 million. Now, if we look at Shiba Inu is around 6.5 billion. And if we look at Dogecoin is at 12.1 billion. That just goes to show you how early on we are with the BONK token at 46 million. Now, what else is going on? BONK token has actually started a BONK swap, which allows you to swap your tokens for both BONK token, Solana, and stablecoins. It will allow you to have liquidity, provisions, and other benefits as well. And in reaction to this, we have the founder of Solana saying that 69,420 BONK is exactly the same amount in BONK tokens. So you can see that the founder of a major blockchain is supporting this meme coin. It's not just a random meme coin. And he also says this UX is pretty awesome. So he's experiencing it. It's pretty freaking awesome in his personal point of view. And then we also have BONK being used to mint NFTs. Again, this is way crazier than what Dogecoin or Shiba Inu could have done. I am seeing that BONK is actually utilizing, maybe they're taking all the lessons that they've seen from Shiba Inu and Doge and put it into actual action rather than just becoming a meme coin. So that's why I think BONK token at this price point is a great steal in my opinion, just to even have a little bit of exposure. And it is trading a lot. It is trading many millions of dollars per day. We're talking about 8.1 just in the past 24 hours. So just keep that in mind. So Now that is the first token. Let's talk about the second and last token because it's my most exciting token to share with you, and that is Solana. Yes, Solana is a cryptocurrency, but also it is so much more than that. Right now it's $24. I remember when we saw this price at around $8. Can you believe that? Just a few months ago it was $8, now it's at $24. Now it's up 2% today, but there are other reasons why I think this could do really, really well in the next bull market because they're developing something really new. But I want to share with you a few things. Crypto.com now offers Solana on-chain staking, which is really cool. So you can stake your Solana on Crypto.com. Then we realized that Solana just hit a new major milestone. Anatoly said creators gonna create because over 1 million compressed NFTs minted in just 1 month. That's amazing. That is showing that developers, creators are flocking to Solana. Perhaps because it's a low transaction fee, it's a low cost barrier of entry, and it's a low cost for businesses or any other startup company to really integrate their own technology within this blockchain. Now, other things that are going on right now as we speak, we know that Solana Mobile is being presented right now. Now, what we do know about this Saga Solana phone is that it's going to be the next revolutionary Web3 phone. We do know that Web 2 is surrounded by iPhone and Google Android phones, but really, what is the Web3 phone? Only Solana is working on something, and that is called the Saga phone. And right now, the founder of Solana, Anatoly, says, holy smokes, can't believe it's actually going to launch. If you didn't know what that meant, it's actually launching right now. These are actual phones right here that you see in this photo that are becoming live, that are being presented, that people can use and touch and feel. And then also, we're seeing that Anatoly is speaking at the actual event. So here it says, with the Solana Mobile Trust Zone, Android cannot screenshot your seed phrase when it's on screen, nor can it capture touch events on your screen when entering or screen or unlocking a PIN. This makes the Solana Saga as secure as hardware wallets with the UX of mobile. So this in a way will protect your phone when you connect to MetaMask, maybe when you connect to Solana Mobile, when you connect to any Web3 technology that's going to prevent hackers, hopefully by creating an extra layer of protection that you're not going to get hacked and get your funds stolen. Because again, phones are being used throughout the world. And right now, not everybody has a computer, especially in countries where it's not affordable for them. A phone, people can access, trade, buy, sell, and send funds. And so having the Solana mobile phone, especially if it's going to be available for everybody around the world, is absolutely revolutionary. This is the only phone that I know that is being revolutionized within Web3. And that's why it's really important to share this with you. And right now we have this live speech going on as we speak. Even Anatoly was saying that year over year, developer growth has grown over 83%, with hackers going to hackathons over 50,000 in attendance, with VC funding over 620 million, even still to this day, even after the FTX hack, even after the FTX scandal with Sam Bankman-Fried, they're still thriving. That just goes to show you how strong and resilient this community is, but also this cryptocurrency and the developer growth. So with that said, you can hear my excitement over these two different coins, BONK and also Solana. Now, I want to hear your thoughts down below. What other altcoins you think you're bullish on? Are you bullish on BONK, the meme coin? Do you think it can moon in this next bull cycle? Or do you think Solana is also going to moon as well, given the Saga phone is going to release? Well, I want to hear all your thoughts down below in both the comments on both YouTube and Twitter, and I cannot wait to read them. So with that said, be sure to smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls, both buy and sell orders, both cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Till then, see you guys and girls next time.